Thank you, God bless, and the Harmony Band.
All right.
Please, ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellencies, if you're not part of the immediate family of the group, please, we would like for you to return to your seats, please. Thank you. Please, let's all return to our seats. Please, we'd like to, yes, please. Everybody, please.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, please return to your seats. If you're not the bride, if you're not the groom, now is the time to take your seats. It is evident that this is a party where we will rock our dancing shoes. So be patient. If you are not a professional photographer, please kindly take your phones and move to your seats. All right. The party is only just getting started. It's just getting warmed up. We're about to have a good time.
Bofti!
All right. So now, we're witnessing the official handing over of NATO to the family, to the Kuti family. So ladies and gentlemen, for another 5 minutes, we'll hand over to the Alaka, and then we'll run this up real quick. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much, Tommy Wasage. Because according to the Igbo and the Yoruba cultures, it is important that we do the official handing over. Nile Yoruba, woman you be on money and I found Please, Nero, you're going to go to your parents. Please go. Just you. Go to your parents. Go to your parents. The father of the bride and the mother of the bride. Please clear the aisle so that the Kutis can see what is going on. Please let us see what is going on. Daddy and mommy, please rise. Daddy and mommy, please rise. Daddy and mommy here too, please rise. Daddy and mommy, please come to the stage. Please come to the stage here. Please come to the stage here. Yes, daddy on that side. Very good. Made, can you hear me? Stay behind them in their middle like that. Mommy, all right, very good. Daddy and mommy, can you hear me? Nedo's mommy, Nedo's daddy. Daddy, I need your attention. The official handing over. So we're going to meet at the middle here, and then you're going to hand your daughter, your beautiful damsel, officially to the Kutis. Please hold your daughter. Hold your daughter. Daddy and mommy, we're meeting at the middle. We're meeting at the middle. Daddy and mommy, please step forward to the middle. Daddy and mommy with your daughter, please step forward to the middle. Nedo, please step forward to the middle. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go to the middle. To the middle here. To the middle here. Very good. Daddy, can I have your right hand, please? This way. Thank you, Daddy. Mommy, your right hand. Put it on Daddy's hand. Very good. Daddy, your right hand. Hold your daughter's right hand. Hold her right hand. Very good. Where's your best lady? Where is Nedo's best lady?